Hello, today is Thursday, April 23rd. It's Spirit Week. Are you in your pajamas? I do love staying in my pajamas all day. All right, we're going to break lesson 16.3 into 2 days. We're going to start with addition, and then tomorrow we'll do subtraction. Again, I'm trying to keep these lessons short so we all stick with it and can just do little bits a day. So here's what we're going to look at. Here's our problem. Rory's herb garden is in a window box. He divided it into 4 equal parts. He used 1 part for mint, 1 part for basil, and 2 parts for thyme. So what part of his garden is either basil or mint? So we have to find basil and mint together. We're going to add those 2 parts of his garden. We can use fraction bars. We have 1/4 plus 1/4. Well, this is perfect because we have like denominators. Remember, when we have like denominators, we can go ahead and add our numerators. Here's our model. 1/4 plus 1/4. Well, how many fourths do I have? Count the 1/4 fraction bars. There are 2. So 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. Don't change your denominator. Keep it the same because we're talking about fourths. So we have 2/4. Write the sum in simplest form. Is 2/4 as low as it can go? No, it's not. Is there a number that can be divided into 2 and divided into 4? Absolutely. Remember, we talked about our even numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2. That's right. So I have 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So if we're talking about simplest form, which we are, 2/4 is the same as 1/2. I would accept either answer, but I really want you to work on simplest form. So half of his garden is either basil or mint. Okay, we could use drawings too. 3/9 plus 6/9. We have common denominators. That's good news. Look at our 3/9 and then we add 6/9 to it. Remember, you're adding your numerator. What's 3 plus 6? That's right, 9/9. When we have the same numerator and same denominator, what does that equal? 1 whole. Okay, this is where we're really going to work on this. Use paper and pencil. I have a whiteboard we're going to use right now. Okay, 2/5 plus 4/5. Well, let's add that up. 2/5 plus 4/5. All right, we have the same denominator, so I know my denominator is going to stay the 5 for fifths. What's 2 plus 4? That's right, 6. 6/5. What kind of fraction is that? That's an improper fraction, so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn it to a mixed number. This is what we worked on last week. So I have to take my numerator, 6, divided by 5. How many times can 5 go into 6 without going over? Yep, 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 has to stay my numerator. I'm so sorry. 1 is my leftover, so that becomes my numerator. 5 has to stay my denominator, so I take 6/5 and turn it into 1 and 1/5. That is my mixed number. Okay. That is what we're doing for the lesson today. Here's what you're going to do. You all have a packet that looks like this. It was in your bag that you picked up. I want you to do the first page. Adding fractions. You're going to do this. There are going to be some that you're going to have to simplify. Make sure you know that your fractions are as low as they can go. Do this page. We'll review it tomorrow. Then you're going to do your second iReady lesson for the week. So by the end of today, you should have 2 iReady lessons done, and I will be checking. And of course, practice those math facts. Okay, see you tomorrow.